People, welcome back, dreamers. Listen, this is not financial advice, but listen, I'm about to give you guys some better plays, less risk than SpaceX. Everybody talking about SpaceX this and SpaceX this. Go ahead, listen. If you want SpaceX, I'm gonna leave a link to Moomoo down in the description. You can sign up. Moomoo is giving you $30 worth of SpaceX signing up deposit bonus. Take that, free SpaceX stocks. You have nothing to worry about. But if you're looking to invest inside SpaceX, you're looking for a home run stock. You're looking to be a DGen to turn a little bit of money into a lot of bit of money, right? And you're not really worried about the long-term investment. Because if you are, you guys know that IPOs, they really don't be doing that well their first year and a half. And it's already valued at a $2 trillion company. Ain't the name of the game of investing is to buy low and sell high, right? Buy low, sell high. That's how you grow your account. Right now, $2 trillion account. Why am I investing so much money inside of a stock that's already around $2 trillion? How much can it grow, right? So you literally buying the top. Yes, it just came out, and I still think that you're literally buying the top. Could it continue to take off? It could continue to take off and never pull back. But at least we got $30 free worth of a SpaceX stock. But in this video, I'm about to show you guys 3 different plays with less risk that could still grow your account a whole bunch over time. So go ahead and comment, give me the loot, because I'm about to show you guys how to make the market give you the loot in this video. So what we're going to be doing is selling cash secure puts that's going to give us a high premium on space exploration or space stocks, anything dealing with space. Since you guys so interested inside of SpaceX, I'm about to show you guys how to get the loot from space stocks in this video. So just a quick before we even get started, if you guys do want to learn the wheel strategy, we have Zoom calls every single Sunday. Got 3 spots remaining. It's half off right now. More about this and later on in this video, but yes, let's go ahead and dive into the first one on this list, and that is going to be Rocket Labs. All right, now we're going to be selling a cash secure puts on Rocket Labs, saying that we want to buy this stock at a cheaper price. Year to date, Rocket Labs is up 47%. Over the last year, they're up 300%. And over the last 5 years, they're up 900%. And they're still not at the same market cap as SpaceX. But here's the name of the game, right? We want to be able to buy this company. As you guys can see, over the last month, they are down. So this is the perfect pullback that we're looking for. We could get in on a space stock at a cheaper price and get paid to try to get in at a cheaper price by selling cash secure puts. That is the very first step of the wheel strategy. If you guys get confused about the wheel strategy, just pay attention to this video. I promise you, I got you. I'm gonna try to break it down. But this setup on this stock, the other 2 I'm gonna do weekly, but the setup on this stock is gonna be good for people that don't have time to look at the market every single second of the day. We're gonna set this trade up once, out a month, and we don't have to check it again every single second of the day. We could check in on it maybe once a week, maybe once a day, heck, even once a month, and we can enjoy our time, make our money, making money for us. So here we are on Rocket Labs. What we're gonna do is hit trade and trade options. We're gonna go out a month on this play. So let's go out to July 17th. We're gonna be selling a put. Do not buy a put. I'm telling you right now. People that buy calls and buy puts, you end up losing money in the stock market. It just is what it is. We're going to be saying puts that we want to buy Rocket Labs at a cheaper price than it is today. And they're going to pay us just for saying that we want to buy Rocket Labs at a cheaper price than it is today. So let's hop up over here on Rocket Labs. Now, I'm going to give you guys some sauce right here. When I'm looking at month-long trades, I hop over to the 4-hour time frame. When I'm looking at week-long trades, I'm looking at the 1-hour time frame. So here we are on Rocket Labs. You guys can see that they had a high right here, got rejected, and then end up breaking through it. So I'm going to use this most recent high in this zone of around $91 to $95 as a support zone, because whatever is this old resistance zone is now a support zone. And I like to sell cash secure puts when it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands are oversold on the RSI. So it's almost ready. It's pretty much ready. I don't mind picking up this stock at a cheaper price. So what I would do, I would sell a cash secure put somewhere around this 200 EMA at $92. So I'm comfortable selling a cash secure put underneath $92 or a 0.3 delta. I'm fine picking up shares from Rocket Labs. If I get assigned these shares, hopefully space stocks continue to take off and it goes all the way back up to all-time highs of $151. If I do not get assigned these shares, I get to keep the premium and do it again the following week. So here we are a week out. I said I'm comfortable buying shares under $92. So let's look at the $90 strike price. It's at a 0.27 delta. That means I'm close to having around a 70% chance of RKLB, Rocket Labs, not pulling back to $90. So let's just pick a price point under $90 and let's go to the $85 price point. That means I'm comfortable picking up 100 shares of Rocket Labs at $85 if it pulls back to $85 by expiration on the expiration date. It can pull back before, even after, but as long as on the expiration date, if it's not at $85, I get to keep the premium. And you guys can see the market price right here is at $450. It says $4.50, but when you're dealing with options, you're dealing with 100 shares, so that's $450. So if you used to hit sell right here, type in 450, I could bring in $450, and I would have to put up $8,500 in collateral, right? So I will be in profit as long as RKLB do not pull below $80.50. So if we're looking over here, it would have to go below $80.50 all the way down here on the 4-hour time frame in order for me to actually start losing money on this trade. But I would not mind getting assigned these shares at a cheaper price. So let's look at the percentage on this trade if I did not get assigned these shares and I was to do this every single month. So I will be bringing in $450 in premium, and I would need to put up $8,500 in collateral to enter this trade. Multiply that out by 100. I would be bringing in 5.29% every single month just for saying I want to own shares of a space company at a cheaper price. So if we come back over here to our compound daily interest calculator, let's say we start off with a $10,000 account and we're bringing in 5.29% every single month, right? And we're going to do it for the next 3 years. So I know it says day, but imagine it says months. I know it says day, imagine it says months. So it's going to be 36 months or 3 years. And then we're going to hit calculate. So with our $10,000 account over the next 3 years, we have grown our account to $63,000. So if we scroll down, you guys can see that our first month, of course, we'll be bringing in $529. By the end of our first year, we'll be bringing in $900 a month. At the end of our second year, we'll be bringing in around $1,700 a month. And at the end of our third year, we'll be bringing in $3,213 every single month. So $3,213 every single month. That's $38,000 a year just from selling cash you could put on a space stock, right? You guys have already been risky trying to own space, showing you guys a little bit of a less risky way to do it. And I know you said, but dang, you can start to make $3,000 every single month. That's what we've been doing inside of our community, right? This is our actual numbers. Let's make this a little bigger. So far this year, we're around 6 months in. We're, well, not full 6 months in, but we generated $21,318 in pure premium from selling cash you can puts or selling covered calls on different stocks inside of the stock market. Our best month yet, we did 6,000. And on average, we are doing, well, June, we're halfway through June, but yeah, we should probably hit another $3,000 in June. We did 3,000 in April, February, 3,000, January, 4,000. And our worst month was $1,627 in profit. On average, we're doing around $3,800,000 in premium. And I've been selling cash secure puts for around three and a half years, right? And the numbers is numbering. The math is mathing, and it's adding up to where you can bring in $3,000 a month in pure premium. I know people that are bringing in $10,000 a month. In fact, you guys, if you subscribe to this channel, I do have a video series on where I'm documenting it step by step until I hit $10,000 per month in pure premium. And you guys could go watch that series on this channel as well. But yeah, all I'm shooting for usually is around 3 to 4, sometimes 4.5%, right? So that is a 5.29% trade, which is absolutely amazing. And you could get assigned shares of Rocket Labs, not at $100, right? The goal is to buy low. If you're willing to buy it at 100, then I know you're willing to buy it at 85 or get it, or your dollar cost average be 80. So you can sell cash you can puts way out of the money, aspire a month out, relax and enjoy your time. Oh, if you didn't know where Rocket Labs are, they develop rocket launches and satellites and other things that's in space as well. So they're a pure space company. All right, so the next one on this list is going to be ASTS. All right, Aerospace Mobile. All right, so what Space Mobile do? They're building a broadband cellular network in space to operate directly with standard and unmodified mobile devices based on extensive space phones, right? So that's what they're doing. Space phones, same thing. Anything dealing with space over the last year to date, they're up 13%. Over the last year, they're up 132%. So once again, you'll be waiting for a slight bit of a pullback, in which they had over the last week. They had the decent pullback And now you could go in and sell cash you could puts, looking for any delta below 0.3 because we want math on our side of the probability of us winning this trade. So we come over to trade. Now let's look at the weekly time frame, not the monthly time frame. We're going to go out a week. So we're going to go out to June 18th. And we're going to be selling a cash you can put at underneath a 0.2 delta. So the delta right here is 0.39. It's too close to the money. We're more at risk of getting assigned these shares. Nothing wrong with getting assigned these shares, especially if you want these shares. But let's try to get these shares at the cheapest price possible. So let's keep scrolling down to $72. So we're looking at $72. Let's look at 73. Okay, so let's look at the $73 price point right here. So this was the 73. Now, I know these are quite expensive. Wait until the last stock is going to be a little bit cheaper. But right now, looking at the 73 price point, the market price is $187. So this is what we will see selling a cash you can put at a delta of 0.21. That means we have close to 80% chance of winning this trade. Or we will get assigned at $73 per share, which is fine with me. So 187 divided by 7,300. That is crazy. 2.56% in just 1 week at a 0.2 delta. So if you multiply that out by 4 weeks in a month, you're going to be bringing in 10.24% in just 1 month by selling cash you puts on a space stock. So you guys wanted to make that money and have a little bit less risk. I'm showing you guys. So comment, give me the loot down in the comment section because I'm trying to show you guys how to get that loot. Now here we are. Let's say we start off with the same $10,000 account, and now we're bringing in 10.24% every single month, right? And let's hit calculate. So now we turn $10,000 into $334,000 in 3 years. If that's what you guys expecting to do with SpaceX, hey, this might be a safer way to do it. Is it realistic? Yeah, you're going to get assigned some of those shares and things like this and maybe backhold for a little bit because the stock is very volatile, but you can definitely start to bring in around 10% every single month. Can you do it every month for 3 years? No, because the opportunity is not going to be there every single month for 3 years. Sometimes it's going to be overvalued. And like I said, I like to sell when it's undervalued. So you wait and be patient. So the opportunity might only occur 6 times out of the year, but that's still 60%. But in a perfect world, if you find a trade like this, you could be bringing in $10,000 just in a little bit over 2 years. So this might be the way to go. It is an awesome opportunity. Now that is selling a cash secure put. That is what I teach inside of the Patreon. We have Zoom calls every single Sunday where I teach the entire wheel strategy. Right now, we're just going over the first step of the wheel strategy. I have multiple modules in there that's going to take you from A to B to C all the way to Z on how to execute the wheel strategy and do it the correct way. And I go over all of my plays inside of the Zoom calls on Sunday. So if you guys do want to be a part of an awesome community, also get every single time I buy and sell a stock, all of my option trades, my leap options, and every single time I have 3 pro day traders in there that post their option trades every single day. So if this sounds like a community that you want to be a part of, consider joining the Patreon. That link is going to be down in the description. It's only 3 spots remaining. I like to keep the Zoom calls real small, but depending on when you're watching this video, I do have a free webinar teaching the entire wheel strategy coming up on June 22nd. I'm gonna leave a link to the free webinar down in the pinned comment section. You guys click that, sign up. You will get a very, very special welcome bonus, all that good stuff just from signing up for the webinar that I'm hosting here on YouTube over on my other channel. So if you guys do want the link to that and have a full free webinar, I'm not going to hold back anything at all. I'm going to give you guys everything in the webinar. Click that. That's going to be down in the pinned comment section. Can't wait to see you guys in that. All right, so now let's hop over to the last stock on this list. That's going to be ticker symbol LUNR. So here we are, LUNR. This is another space exploration infrastructure and service company which engages in contributing to establish blah, 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 blah infrastructure for space, right? Right now they're $26.78 per share. So it's a little cheaper. So if you don't have an $8,000 account, if you have around a $2,000 account, you could probably sell options on this as well. So what we're going to do, same thing. Let's do the 1 hour time frame. We go out to June 18th and you can sell a cash you can put at around 23. Let's look for a point, something low, 0.2 delta. There it goes. $24 right here. So you could be bringing in 47, one right here, that 47. You could be bringing in $47 every single week, selling a cash you can put on LUNR to want to pick up shares at $24 per share. So it's a little cheaper. You only need around $2,400 to sell cash you can put on this one compared to an $8,000 account, but you will still receive pretty good premium from this one stock. So 47 divided by 2,400, multiply that by 100, that is 1.95% every single week. If you multiply that out by 4 weeks, that is 7.83% per month. We could do the numbers on that as well. 7.83% in a month. Starting off with a $10,000 account, you could have $150,000 after 3 years. So I know the numbers seem crazy, but you guys are looking for some crazy numbers with SpaceX, right? So let me know if selling cash get puts to pick up space stocks at a cheaper price, a way for you to go. Man, dreamers, I really think that might be a better option than to buy the SpaceX IPO. Am I in on the SpaceX IPO? No, I'm probably gonna wait until it falls at least halfway below its entry price at around what, 75, 70, maybe $65 is when I'll start to get in on SpaceX. That's actually when they actually start having some good earnings report and good outlook and forward looking, like for the companies and them starting to make some money or lose less money. That's when I'll finally get in. So if at all. But yeah, because they be making their numbers look good, but are they really a profitable company? They are already a $2 trillion company. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, let me know which one of these 3 space companies would you sell cash you puts on down in the comment section. If you have any questions about the wheel strategy or how to sell cash you puts, this is still a very small channel. I read every single comment. I'm gonna try to reply to every single comment. Just drop any questions you have below about the wheel strategy and I'm gonna answer it. But if you could do me one huge favor and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, like for real, hit that notification button because they be acting real funny. But if you hit that notification button, that will help me out a ton. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bring you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.